What if your house could breathe, heal itself, and even dream with you? Old homes leak energy, trap us inside, and fight the planet instead of protecting it. But this house is alive. It grows with you, thinks with you, and runs only on sunshine. Rising bills, collapsing grids, polluted air. Our homes are blind to the chaos outside. I still remember when a storm tore half the city apart, streets flooded, power vanished, and we felt utterly exposed. But homes like this, they sense trouble before it strikes. They adapt, seal themselves, and sustain life independently. Solar panels store energy, air filters purify toxins, and structures reinforce against winds. Because these aren't just buildings, they're intelligent ecosystems. They don't ignore the chaos, they outsmart it. This is resilience redefined, not hiding from the world, but thriving within it, safely, sustainably, and sovereignly. Step closer and feel the shift. The entrance doesn't just open, it responds. As you approach, the house scans your emotions, reading the quiet weight of your day or the lightness in your heart. Instantly, it paints the walls with light, soft blues for calm, warm gold for joy, gentle lavender for rest, and then a whisper, a personalized welcome that floats through the air, meant only for you. This isn't automation, it's intuition. Your home doesn't just greet you, it feels you. Scratches, cracks, even bullet holes, this house heals itself. Nanomaterials embedded in every surface activate at the first sign of damage, flowing like liquid to seal cracks, smooth scratches, and erase impacts. Within minutes, walls restore their flawless finish, metals regain their shine, and windows clear without a trace. It's like living inside living skin that never scars, a home that doesn't just endure, but regenerates. Resilience isn't a feature here, it's biology. Need a gym? Watch as your living room stretches wider, the floor transforming into a responsive training surface. Need space for guests? Walls glide apart, crafting new rooms in moments. Your home reshapes itself daily, not as a machine, but as a graceful partner. It's fluid, intuitive, and endlessly adaptable. This is the end of fixed floor plans and the rise of living spaces that breathe, bend, and bloom with your life. The roof isn't just solar, it's alive. Glowing, organic veins pulse with captured sunlight, channeling energy through the walls like a circulatory system. This energy flows into hidden biobatteries beneath the floor, living cells that store power not in cold lithium, but in photosynthetic organisms. Your home doesn't just use energy, it breathes it. By day, it feeds on light. By night, it glows from within. This isn't sustainability, it's symbiosis. Imagine sipping your morning coffee not just in a room, but in a realm where gravity bends to your will. With a simple thought, you can float gently above the couch, weightless and free, watching the world from a new perspective. Or perhaps today, you choose to walk effortlessly across the ceiling, looking down at your furniture from above, just because you feel like it. This isn't science fiction, it's the next evolution of living, a space that doesn't just adapt to your needs, but defies physics to spark your imagination and turn every morning into an adventure. Your bed doesn't just track sleep, it syncs dreams. Using non-invasive neural harmony technology, it gently aligns the brainwaves of two people, allowing them to step into the same dreamscape. Imagine sharing a lucid adventure through glowing forests, floating cities, or memories reborn, all while your bodies rest. Above you, the ceiling projects these shared dreams as soft, glowing visuals, turning your room into a portal to a world you build together. This isn't just rest, it's connection reimagined. You don't just sleep side by side, you dream together. Beneath the pool lies an entire underwater glass atrium, a secret world where liquid blue meets living art. As you relax on your sofa, schools of tropical fish glide past you, their colors shimmering through the crystal-clear walls. The ocean itself becomes your ever-changing wallpaper, swaying corals, dancing rays of sun, and the silent, graceful dance of marine life. This isn't just a view, it's immersion. You're not just looking at nature, you're living within it, cradled by the deep, yet perfectly dry, perfectly peaceful. This is where luxury meets the wild, and it's all beneath your feet. your food doesn't come from supermarkets. AI drones hum softly as they pollinate vertical towers bursting with ripe fruits and vegetables, strawberries, tomatoes, leafy greens, all grown right inside your home. Meanwhile, lush, oxygen-rich moss carpets your walls, naturally filtering the air and cleaning every breath you take. Your home doesn't just feed you, it nourishes you. This is zero-mile eating meets zero-waste living. Fresh, organic, and utterly self-sufficient. Storm coming? The house instantly projects a shimmering, intelligent dome, a barrier that redirects violent winds, balances internal temperature, and seals the foundation against rising floods. Outside, chaos rages. Inside, calm reigns. It's your own private climate bubble, a sanctuary that doesn't just endure nature's fury, but gracefully deflects it. Your safety isn't left to chance. It's engineered into every beam, every sensor, every breath your home takes. But what if your home could sense loneliness and call your best friend to drop by? What if it could shift into a spaceship when the oceans rise? This isn't just luxury. This is survival, joy, and freedom, all breathing inside your walls. A home that protects you from storms, nurtures you with clean air and homegrown food, and frees you from bills and grid dependence, while also protecting the planet with zero waste, zero emissions, and total harmony with nature. True luxury isn't excess, it's balance. And here, that balance lives, grows, and thrives with you. Want sunrise at midnight? Your windows bend time itself. With a whisper, they project real-time skies from anywhere in the world. A Tokyo dawn, a Paris twilight, or an Arctic aurora. Your room becomes a portal across space and time. Day or night, the world's beauty is yours to command. This isn't a view, it's a voyage, without ever moving an inch. Now, let's talk about the one thing that will decide everything. The price, because all of this, the walls that breathe, the ceiling that syncs with your dreams, the very energy that flows like light through the home's veins, all of it carries a single, staggering number, $7.5 million. But this number isn't just a cost, it's a challenge. A question whispered not to your wallet, but to your soul. Do you just want a house, or are you ready to live inside the future? This was just one chapter in the future of living. Next, we'll explore entire floating cities, where no rent, no bills, and no limits exist. If this vision moved you, like, share, and subscribe, because the homes of tomorrow are already waiting.